Good night, dear teacher. My name is Jose Takori of the second C1, and in this presentation we are going to talk about the sustainable fashion in Ecuador. Good. In the first part, we have two questions. The, the first question is, what is your favorite clothing store? In my case, my favorite clothing store is Nike because I always buy excellent quality shoes and clothing in general. Well, the second question is, what do you do with clothes that you do not wear anymore? Good. All of the years, my family would get clothes that they didn't use, and we would go to the town with low-income people and give them away. Good. In the second part, I am going to talk about the brand Bogue. Bogue was born in the United States in December of 1892. Bogue throughout its history has been involved in important fashion events, has had collaboration with famous brand artists, models, etc. Which has given it so much credibility to be one of the most prestigious brands in the world. This is Bogue. In the next part, I am going to talk about the accessories and the clothes in general. I think the accessories and clothes brand create very elegant. Bogue has always been characterized by having the best outfits for its clients. And in the last part, I am going to give my opinion about Bogue is a brand that has remained one of the most prestigious in the world. I and he always innovation the world and getting the fashion that is using today. Thanks.